my name's Heddi and a Big Cheese founder of travel gift card mytab.co. It is a .co, it is not a .com. And I'm going to pull on these for a few seconds. And this is my best friend Muppet Bundle, Cundle. Today we're talking about using robots in the workplace. Robots that make like little things like these that go on the end of hoodies like this. So if people are having to do this manually, there are pros and cons of this, and it can also impact the company positively and negatively in the workplace. So come with me and I'll explain to you how and why. Okay, the social impacts of robots in the workplace. The good news, let's start with the good news. It helps to automate the workload so employees can focus on the bigger picture. They can also be more productive in the workplace. It helps employees in creating new or creative new methods, utilizing tech results from using the robot so they can get really good, accurate data to be able to work with, which can then be time and cost effective for their brainstorming. It provides more reliability than human error and empowerment in the company when things are going really well. It can also obviously be more time and cost effective versus training employees and then having staff turnover, having to retrain again. So the not so happy news. It prevents additional employees from joining the company, and it also can result in downsizing, staff turnover, layoffs, etc. because robots are replacing humans. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Demoralizing for the employees. This can be because their work is now automated. They are now not needed, so that can be lowering their morale or self-esteem. It also can impact, also reduces the impact of group and team efforts when you're not working together as a team. You've got a more automated approach to a company, so your creative problem solving gets diminished and it can restrict the company's flow and inspirational attributes. See, I have no problem talking to a robot. I can talk to a robot, I can talk to a wall, I can talk to a door for absolutely hours. Will it respond back to me and tell me, actually, Heddi, that idea needs tweaking a little bit because of blah, 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 blah? Robots won't do that, people will. But the robots were really good because they will then create the automated process so you can analyze the results and then brainstorm with your team. So there are pros and cons of both of these. My name's Heddi and a Big Cheese founder of travel gift card mytab.co. It is a .co, it is not a .com. This is my dog Muppet and she is sleeping.